Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. Today in basic science, we are going to be looking at machines and maintenance of machines. Okay? Today we are going to be looking at machines and maintenance of machines. Are you ready for the lesson? Okay, we know that machines are things that help us do work more easily, right? So we have types of machines. Machines can be simple machines and also complex machines. Simple machines, these are the basic building blocks of all machines and include the lever, pulley, wheel, and axe, inclined plane, wedge, and screw. They help amplify or change the direction of force. Simple machines. These are basic machines that make our work easier. Okay? Do we understand that? Then the complex machines. These are combinations of simple machines, like bicycles, cars, and even tools like drills. They make use of multiple simple machines to perform more complex tasks. So complex machines are made up of simple machines put together, okay? For example, bicycles, cars, they are complex machines. Okay, so next we're going to be looking at common terms used in the concept of machine. Common terms used in the concept of machine. Force. It's a push or pull used with a machine to get things done. Force is a push or pull that makes things move. It's what you use to open a door or push a bike. Okay? Work. This is when a machine uses force to move things. When a force is applied to a machine and it moves in the direction of the force, work is done. Okay? Effort. The force you use to make a machine work. The force applied to a machine to make it work. Effort. Load. It's what the machine is supposed to move or lift. The thing a machine is designed to move or lift. If you are using a wheelbarrow, the load is what's inside it, okay? Mechanical advantage. This tells you how much a machine helps you do work by making the force stronger. Okay, how much a machine helps you do work is like a boost that makes your effort more effective. Fulcrum. The point where a lever or something similar pivots or turns. The point where a lever or something similar turns. Okay? The fixed point around which a lever pivots or rotates. Inclined plane. It's like a slanted ramp that helps move things up or down. Okay, a slanted surface like a ramp that helps move things up or down easily. Pulley, a wheel with a rope or cable that lifts stuff. It helps lift things. A wheel with a rope or a cable that help lift things. It's like a simple lifting machine. Wedge. It's a shape like a triangle or a point that can cut or hold things. A shape like a triangle or a point that can cut or hold things. You can think of it as a knife, okay? Screw, a twisted thing that can hold things together or lift stuff. Screw is a twisted object that can hold things together or lift them. Wheel and axle, two connected circles that turn together, making it easier to move everything. Okay, two connected circular objects of different sizes that rotate together, making it easier to move heavy loads. So these are common terms used in the concept of machine. Okay, do we understand? So next we are going to be looking at ways of maintaining machine. Why do we need to maintain machines? Proper maintenance is essential to ensure machines work efficiently and have a long lifespan, okay? So we're going to be looking at ways of maintaining machine. Regular cleaning. Keeping machines clean from dust, dirt, and debris is fundamental. This prevents clogs, overheating, and damage. So you keep machines clean by removing dust, dirt, and debris. Okay? Lubrication. Using the right lubricant on moving parts reduces friction and minimizes wear and tear. This ensures that parts move smoothly and last longer. Lubrication. Use the right oils on moving parts to reduce friction and wear and tear. Okay? Do we understand? You use special oils to make parts move smoothly. Okay? Inspection. Regularly check for any signs of wear, damage, or unusual noises. Addressing problems early can prevent more significant issues. You regularly check for any issues or unusual noise. Fix problems before they get worse, okay? You look for problems if there are any. Check regularly so they can be fixed early. Tightening fasteners. Loose bolts and nuts can lead to problems. Periodically check and tighten them to keep the machine stable. You ensure all nuts and bolts are secure. Loose parts can cause problems. Okay? Do we understand? Ensure all nuts and bolts are tight. Calibration. Some machines have measuring components. Calibrating them ensures that the machine's measurements are accurate and reliable. Some machines have measuring parts, okay? Calibrate them to be accurate. Make sure measuring parts are accurate, okay? Operator training. Properly trained machine operators help prevent misuse and reduce the chances of damage or accidents. Train the people who use the machines to do so correctly and safely. Okay, so these are the ways of maintaining machine. By following this maintenance step, you can keep your machines in good shape and make them last longer. Okay? Okay, so next we're going to be looking at ways of reducing friction. Ways of reducing friction. Friction is a force that opposes motion when two surfaces are in contact, right? So reducing friction is essential in machines to improve efficiency and minimize wear and tear. So we're going to be looking at ways of reducing friction. Lubrication. Use oils or greases to make parts slide easily. You apply oils or greases between moving parts. It reduces the friction, allowing parts to slide easily. Okay? Do we understand? Smooth surfaces. Make machines parts smoother to reduce friction. Smoothing or polishing surfaces make them smoother and it reduces friction between them, okay? Rollers and bearings. Use special parts to reduce friction. Okay, these components reduce friction by enabling smoother movement in various machine parts. Air cushions. Some machines use air to make things float and reduce friction. So some machines use air cushions to minimize contact and friction, making movement more efficient. Low friction materials. Use materials like Teflon that slide easily. Materials like Teflon have low friction properties. So these are the ways to reduce friction. Okay? Do we understand? Good. Next, we're going to be looking at the importance of reducing friction in machine. Machine works better. Less friction means machines work faster and use less energy. Okay? Machines last longer. Less friction makes machines last longer. Cost less. Lower friction means less money spent on repairs. Helps the environment. Less friction saves energy and is better for our planet. So these are the importance of reducing friction in machine. Machines work better, machines last longer, cost less, and helps the environment. Okay? Do we understand? So today's lesson on machines and maintenance of machines. We understood it, right? Okay, good. So next we are going to be looking at our assignment. I'm sure we're going to be able to do our assignment, right? Okay, that's good.